This part I be thinking about. It's flimsy. Got top back on. I don't want the wind to blow it off. Ah, I was hoping. Pull the nail out and keep it in my hand. Got one. We'll go for another one. Can we get one more? Come on. Come to that. Come to that. Come on, baby girl. Come on. There we go. There we go. Now I can at least stop the wind from blowing it over again right now. I'll make sure putting in the same. Let's say DIY. Nothing special, just locking it down so the wind don't blow it up. Rain damage. And drop the hammer. I got basketball shorts on. Just do that in it. To rub your head. The first time, that's my nephew don't hold it for me. I'm glad he came out here and hit me with the first time because I had to climb on top of it. At that time, I ain't need him really to be out here because I didn't have to climb on top. I was watching Baddie show. You gotta check it out. Girl's about to bang. I was going out. Bam. I'm finna dip. I'll holler at y'all later. Gotta go.